tunable white and RGBW light sheets have orientation arrows printed on them. Install contiguous sheets with all of these arrows pointing in the same direction. Failure to orient these light sheets consistently will cause adverse color effects. To mount Auragami, get started by thoroughly cleaning the mounting surface. Next, peel back an edge of the adhesive backing film. Line up the light sheet and stick the edge to the mounting surface. Slowly peel the backing film away as you adhere the light sheet to the surface, applying consistent pressure across the entire light sheet. For best results, use the specialized Auragami installation roller. Last, carefully insert fasteners directly into the light sheet's pre-cut mounting holes at several points, or through the quad bumpers as previously described. Over-tightening fasteners may damage the light sheet. Use both the adhesive backing and mechanical fasteners to permanently secure the light sheet to the mounting surface for optimal performance.